Today, we have something super exciting to talk about: the brand new Vivo V50 and Vivo V50 Pro. Yes, you heard that right. Vivo is back with its latest V series, and trust me, it looks absolutely stunning. If you love stylish smartphones with powerful cameras and top-notch performance, then this one is going to blow your mind. Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into the first look of these two amazing devices. So, let's start with the design. The Vivo V50 and V50 Pro bring an ultra-premium design that immediately catches the eye. The sleek edges, smooth matte finish, and a stunning camera module on the back make these phones look like absolute beasts. And guess what? They come in some seriously attractive color options. Vivo has always been great with colors, and this time, they've taken it up a notch. Whether you prefer a classic black or something vibrant, there's a color for you. Now, talking about the display, oh boy. The Vivo V50 comes with a gorgeous AMOLED display with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth scrolling, immersive visuals, and an overall fantastic user experience. But wait, the Vivo V50 Pro takes things even further. With an upgraded display and HDR10+ support, you're getting deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and a truly cinematic experience right in your hands. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching your favorite shows, or just scrolling through social media, the experience is going to be top-tier. All right, let's move on to the cameras, because we all know that Vivo never disappoints when it comes to photography. The Vivo V50 is equipped with a powerful 50MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor to give you stunning shots in any lighting condition. But here's where it gets even better. The V50 Pro steps up the game with an upgraded camera setup, featuring advanced AI enhancements and even better low-light performance. Night mode is simply breathtaking. Whether you're capturing city lights or a beautiful sunset, the details and clarity are next level. Selfie lovers, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. The front camera on both models is absolutely mind-blowing. With Vivo's signature beauty mode and AI enhancements, your selfies are going to be flawless. Whether it's natural lighting or a dimly lit room, expect nothing but perfection from these cameras. And for all my vloggers out there, the stabilization on the front camera is a game changer. No more shaky videos, just smooth and cinematic footage every time. Performance-wise, Vivo is not holding back. The Vivo V50 is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, ensuring blazing fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and an overall seamless experience. The V50 Pro, on the other hand, goes even further with a more powerful processor that makes gaming and heavy tasks an absolute breeze. If you love gaming on your phone, you're going to appreciate the improved GPU high refresh rate and optimized cooling system. No more overheating, no more lag, just pure, uninterrupted performance. And let's talk about the battery life, because let's be honest, nobody likes a phone that dies halfway through the day. Vivo has packed a massive battery in both these models, ensuring all-day performance, even with heavy usage. And the best part? Super fast charging. With Vivo's ultra-fast charging technology, you can go from 0 to 50% in just a matter of minutes. Forget carrying a power bank everywhere. These phones are built to last. Another major highlight is the software experience. Both the Vivo V50 and V50 Pro come with the latest version of FunTouch OS, which is now smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. You're getting tons of customization options, smart features, and a user-friendly interface that enhances your overall experience. If you love personalization, you're going to have a blast tweaking your phone to match your style. Connectivity is also top-notch, with 5G support on both models. That means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and ultra-low latency for gaming. Whether you're working remotely, attending virtual meetings, or just enjoying high-speed internet, these phones have got you covered. Plus, dual stereo speakers ensure an immersive audio experience, making everything from music to movies sound incredible. Security is another area where Vivo has stepped up its game. You get an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition technology. Unlocking your phone is faster and more secure than ever before, keeping your data safe and sound. And speaking of safety, Vivo has also included multiple privacy features that give you full control over your data and permissions. Now, let's talk pricing. Vivo has always been known for offering premium features at competitive prices, and the V50 series is no different. While the official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, industry rumors suggest that these phones will be priced very competitively, making them an excellent choice for those looking for flagship-level features without breaking the bank. With everything these phones offer, they're going to be serious contenders in the mid-range and premium smartphone segments. So, who should buy the Vivo V50 or V50 Pro? If you're someone who loves top-tier design, stunning displays, powerful cameras, and high-end performance, then these phones are definitely worth considering. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish smartphone, the V50 series has something for everyone. Overall, the Vivo V50 and V50 Pro are shaping up to be some of the best smartphones in their category. Vivo has truly pushed the boundaries, delivering an incredible mix of style, performance, and innovation. If you're thinking about upgrading your phone, this might just be the perfect time. The official launch is right around the corner, so stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited about these devices. That's it for today's first look at the Vivo V50 and V50 Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think about these phones. Are you excited? Which feature stands out the most for you? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. More amazing tech content is coming your way soon. Thanks for watching,